YouTube Short is going absolutely crazy right now, and you have probably seen those viral clips that are taken from long podcasts, interviews, or motivational videos. But manually cutting, editing, and turning those long videos into shorts take a lot of time and effort. It's slow, boring, and honestly very frustrating. Now imagine if you could do all of that in just one click. That's exactly what I'm about to show you in today's video. Vexub just released a brand new feature, and this one is honestly a complete game changer, especially if you are serious about growing fast on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok without spending hours of editing. Let me quickly show you how exactly this works step by step right from my screen. So first, I simply open Vexub. From the dashboard, I click on Create Video, and now you will notice a new option that says Video to Shorts. I click on that. Now all I have to do is paste any YouTube video link right here. This can be my own long form video or any video I want to repurpose into multiple shorts. Once the link is pasted, I just click Generate, and that's it. What Vexub does next is insane. It automatically scans the entire video, analyzes viewer engagement points, finds the most powerful moments, emotional peaks, and high retention segments, and then it cuts those moments into multiple viral ready YouTube shorts automatically. In just a few moments, I get several fully edited shorts right on my screen. Each short already has perfect framing, clean cuts, subtitles, smooth pacing, and is completely optimized for vertical platforms. Now I can preview each short one by one. This channel pulled in more than 200,000 subscribers with 123 videos. The videos are performing great, and based on estimates, the channel is making serious money from ad revenue alone. And here is another one, and this one too. All these channels are earning thousands of dollars every single month, and we will use Vexub.com for making such videos. Let's break it down. First, open Vexub and select text to video option. Then click on go to step 2. Now you can create both horizontal and vertical contents. Let's choose the vertical format and click on go to step 3. You will see an option to add an animated narrator, but since the goal is a fully faceless channel, we simply skip that step. If I want, I can tweak the captions, change subtitle styles, or slightly adjust timing. But honestly, even without touching anything, the results already look clean, professional, and upload ready. Once everything looks perfect, I simply click export and wait a few seconds, download the final shots, and they have completely ready to be uploaded on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. This single feature can save hours of editing time and allow you to create multiple viral shots from just one long video, which is exactly how creators are scaling fast right now. So if you want to grow smarter, faster, and easier, definitely try this feature. And if you want more tutorials like these on faceless content creation, viral niches, and AI-powered video workflows, make sure to subscribe because a lot of more powerful strategies are coming your way. So I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.